Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Nature, under the order of Krishna, is giving chance to us, giving chances to come out of the entanglement of birth and death. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshana darsanam. One should be intelligent to see the troubles of these four incidences of life. Janma, mrityu, jara, vyadhi. That is the whole Vedic system. How to get out of this class. But they are given chance that you do this, you do that, you do that, so regulated life, so that ultimately he can come out. Therefore, Bhagavan says, Daivi Sampad Vimokhaya. If you develop Daivi Sampad, these qualities as described, ahimsa, satya, samsuddhi, ahimsa, so many things, then you get out, vimokha. Unfortunately, in the modern civilization, they do not know what is vimokha. They are so blind. They do not know that there is some position which is called vimoksha. They do not know. They do not know what is next life. There is no educational system. I am traveling all over the world. There is not a single institution which is meant for giving education about the transmigration of the soul, how one can get better life. They don't believe, they have no knowledge. That is Asuri Sampad. That will be described here. Pravitting cha nivitting cha janana vidurasura. Pravitting means attraction or attachment. In what sort of activities we should be attached and what sort of activities shall be detached, that the asuras they do not. Pravitting cha nivitting cha janana vidurat. Na sauchanga napi chachara, na sattanga teshu vidyate. These are the asuras. They do not know how their life should be directed, in which direction. That is called pravritti. And what sort of life they should be detached or give up. Nivitti. Pravrittesu jivatmana. Bhutana. Pravrittesu nivrittastu mahapad. The whole Shastra, the whole Vedic direction is called pravritti nivitti. They are gradually training. Just like Loki bhavayamisha madhya siva nityastu jantu. A living entity has got natural inclination for bhavaya, sex, life, and madhya seva, intoxication, amisha seva, and meat eating. A natural instinct there is. But asuras, they do not try to stop it. They want to increase it. That is asura life. I have got some disease. If I want to cure it, then doctor gives me some prescription that you don't take. There is a diabetic patient. He is forbidden. They don't take sugar, don't take starch. Nivit. Similarly, the Shastra gives us direction that you should be accepting these things and you should be not accepting these things. Shastra. Just like in our society, we have picked up the most essential nivit and pravritti. The pravritti, we are instructing our students, no illicit sex life, no meat eating, no amisha seva. Amisha seva nityasa jantu. But the Shastra says that if you can give up nivrittistu mahaphalam, then your life is successful. But we are not prepared. If we are not prepared to accept the pravrittis and not to accept the nivrittis, then one must know that he is a asura. Krishna says here, pravritting cha nivritting cha janana vidurasura. They do not know what is that. They say, even the big swamis will say, oh, what is there? Wrong. You can eat anything. It doesn't matter. You can't do anything. You simply give me fees and I give you some special mantra. These things are going on. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.